just here to do a quick project share. Now, the tutorial for this is over on my subscription club on my Ko-fi. The link's in the description below. But I'll show you the finished project, and I'm sure you could figure it out. It's not rocket science, but it's beautiful and it's mega effective. So this entire thing is a huge pocket. Quite simply made by folding a sheet of A4 in half. Okay. So in the pocket here, we've got these lovely pages. Now, this collection is my vintage florals. I did give it away free for a limited time in my Facebook group. This collection is now over in my subscription club, and it will stay there forever. The collections over there don't get removed. In my Facebook group, they are limited to approximately 2 weeks. And this was very popular, so if you manage to grab this in my Facebook group, this is what I made. So this large pocket here has this section here, which is a belly band. So behind the belly band there, I've got these pieces of ephemera held together on one of them, whose name I can't think of. Okay, perfect for journaling. So it's just a simple pocket, but it holds an awful lot. And you could either just slide it in a journal loose, or you could glue it in on 2 sides, and then you've got a pocket at the back as well. Now, like I say, there is a tutorial exactly on how to make this over in my subscription club. They do get a few extra things each month than what I show on YouTube. So that's a belly band, and then this section here is one of the kind of Z folds, you know, that you make with paper. Very easy. I've done a tutorial on it before. The bottom here is one of my paper snippets, which I did a tutorial on using the free butterfly digitals, and the butterflies are available free over in my Ko-fi. The link's below. And then so I've left that like a little pocket. So there's all of these little cutter parts from the collection, and then there are seed packets, little mini ones, slightly larger ones, and then here we've got some more little pockets. They're perfect for putting little bits of ephemera in, or memories, or whatever. So as you can see here, it's one of the Z fold paper pockets, okay? But I've just turned it into a belly band. So then it's got 2 pockets there, belly band there, large pocket there, small pocket there, and then if you glue it into your journal, you've got another pocket at the back. So what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pockets in total. So it's a lovely little project. If you want to see the full tutorial, you need to be a subscriber. And if you want the collection, it's also over there. But there's the inspiration. It's not a difficult make. I'm quite sure you can figure that out visually. But I just wanted to come and share the kind of things, you know, whilst my subscription group is new, I'm trying to encourage people to join. So I'm sorry if I'm going on about it a little bit. But I'm just trying to encourage some more people to join. And then, you know, I can shut up a bit. But I'm very proud of how it's going. So that is the lovely project that I made using the vintage florals. So I hope that inspires you. I hope you like that idea, and we'll go away and make one. Like I say, it's super simple. It's not rocket scientist. What makes it really beautiful is the paper collection. Okay, it just makes it fabulous, and that is now ready to go in a journal, and that is one idea that I will use time again when I'm making my journals. So I hope that's helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.